Hi everybody, it's me, Mr. Revenge, aka Luigi, and today we'll be reacting to three videos? 1, 2, 3, yeah, 3 videos by Melody. I like the channel art. Before we react to this video, let's get our glasses on, and let's go! Hey guys, it's me, Melody. Here's a trailer for my first series coming out. Trailer time! Woo! 17 views, wow. I did not like this. You lied to me. Oh, wait, no, she said, I think I say that. Yeah, no, she says that in English. You lied to me. Why does this have to happen to me? Oh, okay. Oh, someone got shoved in the lockers. Now it's baby bubbles. Who gave you a black eye? No one. Puts head on Luigi's shoulder. I'm here. Wow. Awesome. I actually I can't wait to watch this. Broken Bomb. It's gonna be cool. Trailer 2. Wait, Luigi! Luigi, wait, please! Why? So you can hurt me again? Oh, dang. The feels. I'm sorry, it was a mistake. Is that what it is? Is that what our friendship is? A mistake? Luigi, You should have told me. But instead, you made me think that Luigi, I'm sorry. You made me think that you cared about me. And I was stupid enough to fall for it. I did okay with the voice acting. The sad love story? Don't say that. It's not. I have another video to react to. There's probably gonna be a part 3 to this. How long is this? 2. Alright, hold up. This will probably be a part 2 for this. I fell down bleeding. Okay. Okay, I'll click this. And I will watch the trailer. I already probably already gonna like this. Yeah. Is there any comments? Show more. Nope, no comment. I missed you. Oh wait, no, I didn't read the first part. A Broken Bond trailer 3. They have been friends for years. I missed you! But I think I'm in love. What? With cheese? Someone. Boom. Boom. Betrays. What the heck? No. Trust. Who dies? I want to know who dies. Wait, no, I didn't get to read a story. Okay. You lied to me. You told everyone. I thought you liked me. I do. You have a funny way of showing it. Show it. You have a funny way. Wait, what does it say? You have a funny way of show it. Okay. It was pretty good. I think I still have time for the other video I saw. But that was really, really good. I liked it. It was awesome. It was perfect. But the feels though. The feels, oh, I hate the feels. Is it shoved in lockers? No. I want to watch that one video. What the heck did I just see? Steps in front of Toad, falls down bleeding. I still have that. Okay, sure, baby bubbles. I broke up with Hunter. Aw, I'm sorry. I'm sorry you broke up with Hunter. You know, sounds like me. Oh, I'm sorry. For you. Oh. Nice. This is a slow motion. Is it? I knew it. Wait, I gotta do the... You no, 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 no. You hear that? Listen. Due to the fact that it's in slow motion, that means the song is in slow motion. No thank you. No thank you. Nope. Nope. No. 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 We'll watch this one. Blah blah blah. I broke up with Hunter. This is really beautiful. I remember this. Oh! Nope, 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 nope. I still like it. Nope, 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 no, 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 go back. No. No, 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 stop it. No, 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 no. Hey everybody, what's up? It's me and Luigi, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, because I almost peed myself right there. But anyway, if you did like this video, give it a thumbs up, and help us reach to 30 subscribers so you can find out who that special guest is. Because trust me, you want to know bad. So I hope you like it, and if you did, like I said before, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to us, do that already. What's taking you so long? If you don't subscribe, Princess Peach gets kidnapped again. That's sad. No. Wait, is that Future Diary? I don't watch it. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. Subscribe to become part of the Mario Squad and / family. And in other words, stay weird, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.